So I'm getting ready. So trouser with this top, or I wear this dress. I think you tell me. Hi guys, tutorial video. So first I'm using primer. And my favorite compact. Little bit on neck. Now next, today I'm doing my smoky eyes. So I'm wearing red. So with red I'm trying to put a smoky eyes. Black. And this is a मतलब अपर अपर पे करा होता मैंने, तो मैं क्या कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं नीचे भी इसको इसी से ही कर दूँ ताकि डार्कर ना करूँ बट लाइट शेड मार दूँ, जैसे ग्रेइश लुक आ जाए नीचे लोअर लाइन में. सी यू कैन मेक आउट दिस in lower lash. I can try to enhance my lower lash in same eyes. And after that I'll take this again, blend and blend in a lower lash also, like this. You can see white eyeliner. I always put my lower inner eye because it's give me a good, eye look. After that I use this eyebrow pencil. This is the way I'm using it, and brush my eyebrow like this. Like this way. See, mascara. In lower lash I just do this, my favorite lipstick, Cafe Mocha. So this is my shade. So I'm done. That's it. Over. So now I comb my hair. You can see. This is it. Ready. This is my final look. Get it first with the bracelet and a watch and an earring. Da da da.